Bounce, bounce, bounce. And all this bouncing around, I'm having the opposite experience of every single person on the internet. Every single person on the internet is saying, oh, you need better suspension for the dirt. And, you know, these people might be better than me, or they might be drinking different flavors of Kool-Aid. But as far as the suspension and the dirt, I haven't bottomed it out once. I love the softness because it keeps it in contact with the road. It's not jarring. I'm capable. But then on the street is where I find the suspension to be a real challenge. That was a big twist of a rock. But I'm finding on the street, the suspension is just disappointing. I ride fast like a sport tourer on some rough roads, and I just get bounced around. But out here, very happy with the suspension. Not happy with this speed. That was a big leaf that just hit me in the head.